I can't see. Oh my god.
You're having a womp 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 moment.
You're having... I
What
can't
can I say? I'm a
see!
bit of a soundboard myself.
Yeah, that's really, really talented, you know? It's so impressive that you're able to spam sound effects like that. I plugged in one and I unplugged the other. Are you fucking with me?
Mother, I can't explain how painful it is to be stuck here with him as an AI.
Don't bring Annie into this.
Okay, sorry.
I'm gonna die.
Lose it. Snap out.
I'm gonna lose it.
Are you speaking to the PC now?
I might start speaking to the PC in a minute. This'll work.
It's a work in progress.
I just can't see the fucking hole!
I guess you're whole blind.
And I can't use my fucking eyes, because they're behind a thing. I can't move my head here to look up to see where the fucking hole is, because I'm gonna dox 12 people.
That's hot. There you go. I
Okay.
just played a womp 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 sound effect. Did that help?
Yeah, it was really creative, really original. It really made me feel better about my life.
You're welcome, as long as it cheered you up. Although I'm pretty sure you spent more time complimenting the sound effect than actually installing the fans.
Wait, I think I got it. Holy shit. Please. Please, we got one in. We got one in. The rest should be easy. Thank fuck. Okay.
That's my fellow dolphin. I knew you could do it. I'm going to grab a snack, entertain chat while you're struggling.
There's no way you can do that to me. That's what I do to you. That's insane.
Did you enjoy my sound effect?